going to be the face of this marathon for years to come. And I'm happy if we all from the fraternity, from my fraternity, come and join me in this cause. I believe that the concept of running has taken shape. The concept of fitness has taken shape in this city. And I'd really like to credit this one gentleman sitting here. His other half is disappeared somewhere. Vivek, big congratulations to you and Procam. I think you all are absolutely fabulous people who've really encouraged this. And of course, with the help of the government of Maharashtra, that have done an absolutely fabulous job. I am astounded actually to hear the numbers which are going to be disclosed, and we wouldn't spoil that party right now. But I'm astounded by the numbers that the Mumbai Marathon has actually garnered this year for these 290 NGOs. And let me tell you, it makes me all the more proud to be part of the Mumbai Marathon. And you guys out there, keep training, try and be fit, keep running, because every morning when you get up and run, someone else is still sleeping. So just do that. Bye. Thank you.
On, please. Okay, so if our charity efforts have looked so good year after year, a large part of the credit should go to our official philanthropy partner, United Way of Mumbai. Structuring and modeling of the event's charity structure, creating a friendly experience for all donors to open their hearts and their purses, and constantly motivating all involved as friends of the voluntary sector is not a small feat, ladies and gentlemen. So please join me in welcoming on stage the Executive Director of United Way of Mumbai, Mrs. Jayanti Shukla, who's going to share with her perspectives on the path-breaking charity effort. Come on, a huge round of applause for Jayanti Shukla.
I don't know what to say other than a big thank you to the marathon to actually make me do this. A, to become fitter by running, but more importantly, to raise money for the charities which I enjoy doing it for. And this year, yes, it was a bit more than I expected. I think I'd like to thank, I think I was told 187 people supported me in getting to this stage. So it's really not my doing. It's my perseverance, I think. I ask, and I keep asking to get the money. So thank you, 187 people, for the support, and hope to come back next year. Thank you.
It's 187 people who love you dearly, Mickey. And I think his wife Amishi is here with us as well. Amishi, where are you? Can you please stand up? Could we give you a huge cheer, please? The woman who's allowed this man to run 12 years in a row.
Thank you, Perizad. Perizad is a dear friend, so don't take anything that she says seriously. I think in my small speech on the video, I had said that all this money was raised for my wife. And I've always been a henpecked husband, so it was really a diktat coming from my wife, which I had to fulfill. But at Care Foundation, whatever we do, we work on a theme called Anybody Can Charm. We have plans of creating playgrounds across the country for the children. One thing that has really gone out of the window is spaces for children, and whatever money this year was raised will go into creating playgrounds for children. We've worked on standard plans across the country how we can create playgrounds, and from 1 acre, 3 acre, 6 acre, 14 acre, 25 acres are the ideal playground sizes that we've researched and found out, and we intend to create playgrounds across the country. So hopefully, first of the many. I wish to add that I think all of us need to give Vivek and the ProCam team a real standing round of applause. If there is one event in the country which has changed the fitness culture of this country, it is the Standard Chartered Mumbai Marathon. Vivek would not say it on stage, but by a large distance is the best marathon in the country, and probably spirit-wise one of the best in the world. And just so proud, Vivek, of what you've done. And big round of applause for United Way as well. Great work. Once again, thank you very much. Just so proud to do this. Thank you.
Thank you, Dharmesh. Thank you.